In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use CIBC Investor's Edge. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The CIBC Investor's Edge app can be found when you download CIBC Mobile Wealth. So if you don't have the CIBC Mobile Wealth app, go to the Play Store or the App Store and you will be able to access CIBC Investor's Edge from there. Once you download the Mobile Wealth app, you will have the ability to sign in with your usual CIBC online banking account, and inside of there you will have plenty of options related to trading stocks, investing, managing your accounts, etc. In there you will have access to CIBC Investor's Edge, like I mentioned, CIBC Imperial Investor Service, CIBC Wood Gundy, and CIBC Private Investments console accounts. Anyways, if all that you want to do is use Investor's Edge, in there you will be able to trade stocks, ETFs, and options. So select the option from the menu at the top right corner of the screen and you will find Trade Stocks and ETFs. The process is very straightforward. The app is going to guide you on how to set up a buy or sell order in the trading menu. It will guide you through setting up your account, the action, symbol, market, quantity, etc. Everything is very easy to access and to learn, and they have dedicated videos and guides for everything available on Investor's Edge. Every time you place an order to trade a stock, ETF, etc., it is going to appear on your account, and you can always do research through the app itself. So if you switch over to the research tab, everything in there will be updated and available for you at any time. Anytime you make one of these orders, it will appear on your transaction history and you can keep track of everything easily through the Accounts tab. So all that you have to do is download the CIBC Mobile Wealth app to use CIBC Investor's Edge. I hope I was able to help you on how to use CIBC Investor's Edge. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.